barra rocker covers and breathing mods. Let's talk about fish breath. I'm Josh, this is Redcliffe Muscle and Custom. What is a catch can and do I need one? The Ford Barra uses a PCV system to vent its internal crankcase pressures back into the intake tract. What that can do is actually lower the octane rating and cause all sorts of issues, including greasy intake tracts and issues with combustion as well. For a high performance vehicle, it definitely isn't ideal, and a lot of people do go for an atmospheric vent catch can, so instead of the engine eating the fumes, it does go out into the atmosphere again. This may not specifically be legal depending on what state you're in. I personally would never ever do it on a street car, but your choice, your car. Today, before we get welding, I'm going to go through the differences between the two styles of bungs, which is the press fit racework style and weld in, before I get welding this rocker cover with these brand new bungs. Let's get stuck into it. Before we get started, I just want to do a really quick review on these rocker cover bungs by Raceworks and various other brands out there. They are a push fit kind of style deal that you just push into the rocker cover. This one is more of a tighter fit, like a press fit. Good DIY at home kind of upgrade. One thing I do want to bring to your attention though is if you do measure it, this one measures out at 9mm, this one measures at 5.5, and they're both -8, so there's quite a big difference in the internal size on the back end of these. If you do want a true -8, your only option is to go weld bung, or obviously you can go -10 or -12 via weld bung as well. But I just wanted to bring that to your attention. If you are looking at getting these, they are not a true -8. They are a good product, but just make sure you're picking it for your application. If you need a heavy breathing application, you're going to need to go weld bung, so let it rip. So before we get started, I always like to just get a little bit of a rag and poke it down this PCV hole into the baffle here. That way when I'm lopping this off, it doesn't put too much metal into the baffle itself. It's the last thing you want. Usually if it's a clean rocker cover, you don't have too much of a problem, but it's better safe than sorry. So that is how you modify a Barra rocker cover with AN Weld bungs. If you need any help with upgrading your Barra rocker cover, sump, water pump or anything else Barra related, hit me up in the socials. I've linked them down in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I've got more videos coming out soon, most likely Barra upgrade related, as well as any other modifications muscle and custom related. Don't forget to check out the website, muscleandcustom.com.au. If you need any help, get in touch on our socials. If there's any videos on Barra stuff that might be helpful for you, let me know as well in the comments, because I'm always looking for new ideas for videos. Thanks for watching. I'm Josh. This is Redcliffe Muscle and Custom.